Hi there, my name is Emily Staley. I'm with Grand Design RV. We're going to shoot a special video today about how you can camp comfortably in a 50 amp coach on a 30 amp circuit. The first thing you're going to want to have is to make sure that you have a 50 to 30 amp adapter plug. This is going to be where you're going to plug your actual 50 amp cord in, and then this piece is going to plug into the 30 amp box pole at the campground. One of the first things you're going to want to remember is that when you're first plugged in to 30 amps, the charger is going to go into a bulk charge mode, which consumes 12 to 15 amps of power approximately. You have to give it a couple of hours of charging time or turn off the circuit breaker for the converter to free up the amps. This will give your coach enough time to kind of just get prepared for a longer process of being on 30 amps when you're in a 50 amp coach. One thing to always remember, you have to be very cautious about the amperage that you're using. Obviously, you can't go over 30 amps or you're going to pop a breaker at the post. In your owner's manual, there is a page that describes to you about everything that has and what the amperage is and what it pulls. You're going to want to refer to this before you start putting things on, turning things on, using the microwave and different things like this. It's very detailed information, so be sure to read over it. It is very possible to camp comfortably. A lot of people say that they don't like to not be able to run their two air conditioners. However, there are things that you can do. If you run your main air conditioner during the day and circulate a fan throughout the coach, that cool air will circulate throughout. Come back around dinner time, flip that air conditioner over into your bedroom air, and you'll be able to have the bedroom cooled down by the time you go to bed. The next thing you're going to want to remember, some of these things pull a larger amp draw. Things like a microwave, things like a hair dryer. These things will have to be used sparingly when you're running something like your air conditioner. When you use that, you're going to want to flip your air conditioner off for the short process that you're using the microwave to, say, pop a bag of popcorn or warm up some lunch, anything like that. And then as soon as you're done, you can go ahead and flip that air conditioner back on. The other thing that you're going to want to remember is to save on that electric amp draw. Run your refrigerator and your water heater in the gas position. So you're going to want to run off of your LP instead of your electric. During the day, be sure to turn off your 12-volt lighting to ensure that the converter is not bulk charging your battery. Another friendly reminder, if you're going to be experiencing some extreme temperatures, make sure that you go ahead and keep your blinds closed on all of your windows. That'll help keep some of the sunlight out to keep it cooler inside. Make sure that your air conditioners are running at their peak performance. You're going to want to make sure that your filters are clean. And another thing you can do is you can actually run, if you have them, max air fans or anything like that with the covers closed to help circulate air throughout the coach. So now that you know how to comfortably camp on a 30 amp circuit when you're in a 50 amp coach, if you have any other questions or concerns, you can give us a call at 574-825-9679 and speak to any of our representatives. Have a great camping experience, and we'll see you soon.